Hey guys, I actually managed to find a parking lot in the daytime. It's not huge, but it should be enough to do some test runs. I got the car here again. Still running the Ovonic 2200 130C 4S. Had to reprint quite a few parts after a handful of crashes. So I'll show the top of the car. Let me just put the battery cover on. Still running the 14 kilogram injora servo. This is the 4S 150 amp ESC and the 3665 4500 kV motor. A couple different changes, beefed up a lot of the parts. They were starting to break a little bit too frequently. I actually reduced the front splitter. It had a bit too much downforce for what I was trying to do. So let me put the body back on and we'll see what we can do today. All right. Make sure the GPS is working. Yep. I'll do a little bit of warm up. I want to see how the tracking's doing after replacing all the parts. Do a quick check, make sure everything is actually working. Alright, just punching it around a little bit, we get 41 miles an hour. Today I would be happy if I could break 60, honestly. Been having so many issues with this little guy. Alright, we're already up to 52. That's a good sign. 55 is my personal best right now. And that seems to happen a lot. Sorry about the dirt. Just had to get that back on. It's kind of a pain. Yeah, motor's already getting toasty, which is not a good sign. One issue I've been having is this kind of thing where I've already re-glued the tires on multiple times. I don't know if they're just bad now, but I think they're ballooning and it's getting a little squirrely at high speed. I'm half tempted to just try to go wide open down the road and just let the grass on the other side of the parking lot catch the car. Battery got ejected. Where the pieces go. Tire's loose. That one's tight. Looks suspiciously crooked. Front end survived. There's the battery cover. Oh, there's that one. Oh, I'll put the cover green and gas. Oh, well. I don't know. Throw the camera gas again. Should I put the parts of the guy? Oh, may as well show that everything's still the same inside. Well as the, hopefully we hit something a little faster. All right, 63. Hopefully it still counts with a crash. I've glued these on several times at this point. Not really surprised. They'll get glued back on. Battery isn't puffing up yet, so still usable. Nothing's changed. Still the 150. The, I don't know if you can see, 4500 kV motor. 14 kilogram servo. Printed part survived a lot better this time. At least in the front end. I had this Y-link already break on me once. Something looks a little crooked though. I'll figure that out later. Oh. Crack in the frame. How about this side? No. That'll have to get more super glue.